Hello everyone, welcome to another origami demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo the Origami Swiss Army knife designed by Jeremy Shafer. And this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like closed, and this is how you open it up. There's the screwdriver. There's the knife. And the awl. And the can opener. How awesome is that? And this is folded from a single uncut square. And yeah, I think this is an amazing model, and this was really hard to make too. This is a really complex model, and I folded it successfully. And you can put the tools back inside too. Put the awl back inside first, then the can opener, the knife, and the screwdriver. And I folded this model from a 10-inch square of Japanese foil, and this is the result. And what he actually did in the tutorial, he actually painted the white side of the foil with red acrylic paint, and that's actually nice because it'll make it waterproof, but I ran out of acrylic paint, so I just left the white side white, and it still looks really nice. So this is folded from a single uncut square of foil origami paper, and it'll get something like this. And he also published it in his first origami book, Origami to Astonish and Amuse, and it is on page 103. Available on Amazon. And yeah, and he made the tutorial into 2 parts, and I put them right here in the card and in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this origami demo, and if you liked it, give it a like, and I appreciate any comments down below of what you think about this video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so that way you'll get notified every time I launch a new video. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this origami demo, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.